Are you tired of your damaged hair? Meet OUAI Thick Hair Mask, the deep conditioning solution you've been looking for. This isn't just any hair mask. It's designed to repair split ends, leaving your hair smoother and stronger after just one treatment. No matter your hair type, OUAI Thick Hair Mask will work wonders. The blend of Elite and shea butters conditions dry hair effectively. This mask is packed with nourishing oils that soften and add shine. Plus, hydrolyzed keratin helps prevent breakage and control frizz. Super easy to use. Just apply a quarter-sized amount, leave it for 5 minutes, and rinse with cool water for best results. Join thousands of satisfied users who are in love with the light texture and incredible moisture that OUAI Thick Hair Mask provides. It's time to embrace your hair with OUAI. Experience luxury without the hefty price tag. If you're impressed and considering the OUAI Thick Hair Mask, click the link in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing reviews.